everybody. Welcome to our virtual open house. Beautiful day here today, and I want to take you through this property. It's at 14N215 Gunpowder Lane in Elgin. And what I really love about this property is the location. We are in unincorporated Elgin. We're literally probably about 2 miles just to I-90. And the nice thing about being unincorporated is that you can kind of do certain things that you can't do in the city limits, which is kind of nice. But we're at a dead-end street, and I don't know if I have Jen here, by the way, one of my team assistants, working the camera. So if anything goes wrong with the camera, we know who to blame.
Yep, you can blame me.
So we're at a dead-end street here, and we're on about 1.25 acres. And wait to see the backyard, it's awesome. So let's go in, take a look at the inside. This house is a custom home. It's about 2,400 square feet on the main and second floor level, and another almost 2,000 square feet in the lower basement level. So almost over 4,400 square feet of living space. That's pretty big. It's brick on all three sides and cedar on the back. And again, it's a custom home, which is kind of nice. It's not track living. And you'll see inside some of the quality as well. So we enter into a foyer. It's 2 stories. It's got vaulted ceilings. It's got a nice wood oak solid staircase. They don't build those hardly anymore. And right off to the right, it's a fairly traditional floor plan. So we have it could be a formal living room, could be a sitting area, could be, you actually could turn it into a dining room if you really wanted to. And it flows into a nice opening here. The beautiful thing about this house too is, for people that are getting older, is that it has a first floor master bedroom, and sometimes those are hard to find. It's got great views out the backyard. Jen, if you could pan this way too. It's got a cool window seat, so you can sit here, read, and it's all wooded back here, so it's pretty privacy. You don't even need any blinds on here because nobody's going to be looking in the windows here. It's got its own private bathroom, of course, on the master, and it's got double closets, a long oversized vanity, whirlpool tub, cool purple, hot purple, you gotta love that. Another cool feature I like is when you're in the bathroom, somebody's ringing the doorbell, you can look out the little octagon window and wave. So that's kind of cool. So follow me to the kitchen area. Again, first floor master bedroom, people love that. You can put the kids upstairs, have your privacy downstairs. The kitchen is all, solid oak cabinets. So they're all raised panel oak cabinets. So a lot of people like white in that, but these are quality, which is kind of nice. It's got a nice big eating area here, a pantry for all kinds of extra storage and stuff. And I love the family room. It's got these huge vaulted ceilings with beams, a nice 4-window or 4 lookout window with a big brick fireplace. Very cozy. People love that. And then the laundry room, everybody can get into this. It's huge. This is where everybody's just going to throw all their stuff down, and it's got a side door which people can get out, to go to the yard and stuff. Especially when kids are playing, come in through the side door, throw all your stuff, and you're good to go. So some other areas on the first floor, we got a half bathroom just for guests. This is a full den here. Which also could be converted to a dining room, but they use it as a den and it works out really well. It's got a little built-in oak desk area here. And then we'll go upstairs. Again, beautiful oak staircase, and it's got 2 full bedrooms upstairs, and they're all good size, or both of them are good size, I should say. Solid oak 6-panel doors. It's kind of got, vaulted ceilings in here. These would be really cool kids' rooms with the little built-ins. It's got a walk-in closet. ceiling fans in all the bedrooms. Upstairs they share a hall bathroom here, which it's got tile floor in it. And then the second bedroom here is pretty similar to the other bedroom up here. It's got a big walk-in closet as well. So again, these are great for kids, adults too, teenagers. You put them upstairs, parents stay downstairs, shut the door, you don't have to worry about hearing about them the rest of the day. We got a tile entry. We're going to go back down to the basement area now of this house. And the basement is semi-finished, I would say. Again, there's about 2,000 square feet of finished area down here. This would be perfect for a pool table here. You could have a little gaming area there. This has got a nice solid wood oak bar. It's a wet bar. We could probably lose this. I'm a Packer fan, so I don't really care about this stuff. But if you're a Packer fan, we can take that down. Don't worry. It's also got a full bathroom down here, which is nice. There's a tub and a shower in here. We left the floor down here just kind of with no carpet. It's a painted floor down here, which is good for kids dropping stuff, spilling things. We don't have to worry about it, but you could certainly go carpet it if you wanted to and make it a little more cozier. And then it's got a huge unfinished area back here. For storage, you can do a lot. One of the things that they don't do anymore was when they build is they have an access down at the end down there where you could go up through the garage. So it's great for carrying things in and out without going into the house. You can literally walk down a staircase in the garage and bring your stuff in and you're good. We are well in septic here because we're rural. So when you go unincorporated, you're going to be well in septic. So the good thing is you don't have to have a water bill. So that's always kind of nice. So if you want to water your plants and stuff, you just water all day long. We're going to go upstairs. We're going to walk out back, and that's one of my favorite places about this house because it's just beautiful out back for sure. So again, we're on about 1.25 acres here. And as you'll see, there's nothing that really surrounds us. It's all trees, and there's a field back behind there. And it's kind of rolling. We have a 24-foot pool here. It hasn't been opened up yet just because it's still not quite warm enough, but we're getting ready to. It's got a cool pergola here where you can sit out, enjoy nights. The other neat thing too is she had a little garden over here, a little white picketed garden that's fenced in, which is fun for growing all your little goodies and stuff. And it's just a beautiful place. You sit back here and chill out, and it's great for hanging out by yourself or with friends or family, especially with the quarantine. This isn't a bad place to hang out. So hopefully if you know somebody that might want to take a look, or maybe this inspired you guys to get out and come and take a look, give us a private message, call us. The address again is 14N 215 Gunpowder Lane. It's in Elgin. Great location. You're far enough out, but not too far enough. You're literally about a mile from the Randall Road corridor. The other big thing too is this is District 301 schools. So 301 schools is pretty hot right now. People are trying to get into it. It's more hometown. It's not a huge school district, and people really like the schools here as well. So again, hopefully you enjoyed this. If you want to come out, take a look at it, let us know, and we'll catch up with you next week at our next virtual open house. Take care.